to Japanese cooking lovers, I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make tomato sauce. Tomato sauce or the pasta is not original Japanese food. I know that. But how many people making tomato sauce at home? People usually buy from store the jar or can tomato sauce, right? This is much tasty than those jar or can tomato sauce. Of course, it's fresh and more, I think, sweeter. And the cooked tomatoes are better nutrition than raw tomato. Plus, can or jar tomato sauce has more salt because they have to keep for the shelf life, and also chemical too. So this is much better and tastes better, healthy recipe that I recommend you to try it. I like this brand so far, and you don't need to put it in the refrigerator, but I do, and it's get hardened, so I think it's a good brand. This time I used this tomato, but I sometimes find red tag bag of tomatoes, and they have different varieties, and they change the taste every time, and it's fun. I like that way. Here's a tip. Mid to low heat olive oil and garlic, about 10 minutes. This way, transfer garlic scent to oil. Don't put high heat. Once I put the tomatoes in the pan, I turn the heat up to medium. I forget to buy basil, so I buy basil oil, and because I have that one, so I use basil oil instead of the fresh basil. But if you can buy fresh basil, if you remember, try that way. And when you cook tomato, put that basil together, and you have more flavors and better scents. Many of my friends like this tomato sauce recipe. If you have this tomato sauce, you can put meat if you're not vegan, and you can use this tomato sauce for other stuff, of course. This is how to make tomato sauce and tomato sauce pasta in your home. And if you like my YouTube, this video, please thumbs up And also, if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.